العبط ده العبط ده خلينا نخش في الفيديو على طول. وازيكم يا ابطال، عاملين ايه؟ النهارده في فيديو جديد على قناه يوتيوب جيمنج. سيبكم من الهبل اللي في اول الفيديو ده، عادي كده. النهارده يا ابطال هنشوف وينزداي. عارفين الطياره اللي هي بتراقب الوحوش دي، اللي هي قدامكم على الشاشه دي، صورتها قدامكم على الشاشه ديت. انا معرفش اسمها الصراحه، اللي عارف اسمها يقول لي تحت في التعليقات. هنشوف من خلالها وينزداي في الحقيقة. اوكي يا ابطال، جاهزين تشوفوا وينزداي في الحقيقة وفي الحديقة، يعني في الملاهي. اوكي، قبل ما نروح نشوف وينزداي ونشوف هل هي حقيقية ولا خيال ولا مش حقيقية، فهنشوف في الفيديو ده. وقبل ما نروح نشوف متنسوش اللايك والسبسكرايب، تضغطوا على الجرس تنبيهات يوصلكم كل جديد على قناة يوتيوب جيمنج. ويلا نخش المقطع ونبتدي مقطع ونشوف وينزداي. يلا بينا. اوكي يا ابطال، هو زي المرة اللي فاتت بتاع مستر بيس، انا حملت برضو الفيديو عندي على الاستوديو عشان يعني ما يسحبش نت كتير، عشان معيش نت من الاخر. فاوكي، هنشوف الفيديو دلوقتي وهنشوف وينزداي هل هي حقيقية ولا مش حقيقية. خلونا نشوف، يلا نبتدي المقطع. الانترو جميلة جدا بجد. خلونا نوطي بس الصوت شوية عشان ايه ما يبقاش الصوت عالي جدا وما تسمعونيش في الاخر. اوكي
Squad, what the hell is going on, guys? Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Guys, we are parked in front of the Prime Capital House right now. Now, there's a reason we're in the car.
البيت بتاعهم جامد. انا عايزه، انا هروح امريكا ولا اروح البلد اللي هم فيها عشان اعيش في البيت ده. البيت بتاعهم جامد جدا.
Now, there's a reason we're in the car. I'm here with my brother. Unfortunately, yo, what's going on,
Strawberry Squad?
يعني he's been MIA, missing in action recently. I don't know where the hell this guy's gone, but you basically need a Ouija board to contact his channel. That's how dead it is. He was posting videos, getting like 50,000 views. You guys were probably loving his videos, and then he just stopped. Strawberry Squad, just know that I would never do that to you guys. You know what? You should be ashamed of yourself.
I wanted to formally apologize for not posting. I will get back to it, guys. I promise you.
Okay, nobody cares. Anyways, guys, no, I'm just kidding. Guys, Ethan's gonna start posting again. So his link is
بيقول لك ان احنا نشوف وينزداي وفي الحقيقة.
Go subscribe to him. Go watch his videos, and most importantly, drop a dislike. But anyways,
الانجليزي بتاعي
let's
تعبان
not
شوية
take it
بس
to the
عادي.
extreme.
Yeah, new year, be a new you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I do know it. Anyways, Strawberry
ايه
Squad.
الهبل ده؟
You know what, dude? You really got to think of other people when you start doing that stuff. You know, it can really mess with people's heads. Now, that is the stuff that lowers my self-esteem.
I'm really sorry. Anyways, guys, this intro is off to a very
الطيارة اللي هي
Strawberry Squad. The real reason why
اللي
we made this
ظهرتها
video,
لكم
you guys
في
already
أول
know based on
الشاشة
the
في
thumbnail
الفيديو.
and title. Yana has
هيراقبوها
been losing
بالطيارة
her
بتاعتهم
marbles. And when I say losing her
ونشوف.
marbles, guys, you remember the video I did where we caught her watching Wednesday 24/7?
ده هو كان بيتفرج على مسلسل وينزداي، ووينزداي ذات نفسها كانت قاعدة معاه بتتفرج على المسلسل بتاعها. يما يا لهوي على الرعب. يما شكلها يخوف جدا يا ابطال.
First one, capture this weird behavior from Yana on camera. Guys, everyone go check out his channel. Otherwise, he's gonna get salty that everyone's hopping on his video ideas. Mark's a big Debbie Downer right now. So go show him some love. And everyone comment on his videos, please. Strawberry Squad, everyone go comment. Hashtag salty Mark. But yeah, like 10 minutes ago, we saw Yana walk over that way. She's been going.
لكم قناتي التانية اللي هي BDS جيمنج. بحاول يعني اعملها كده، وعملتها عشان ننزل عليها انا وستار اتش وبي ام ان كل فيديوهاتنا الجديدة. روحوا شوفوها، سيب لكم الرابط بتاعها تحت في الوصف. روحوا شوفوها واشتركوا فيها في القناة عشان هننزل فيديوهات جديدة وبنظبطها كده، بنظبط حاجات جديدة. روحوا اشتركوا فيها. اوكي، خلونا نكمل الفيديو.
on walks every day dressed up as Wednesday. I can only imagine what people in the neighborhood are thinking.
Yeah, that's so weird. What the hell?
Yeah, like what is she doing?
Oh, she's really losing her mind now.
So guys, we're gonna take the drone out. We're gonna try to see if we can find her, see what she's up to, and quite honestly, guys, see if there's anything we can do to help her, to get her to snap out of it. She actually thinks she's Wednesday.
I know, dude. She literally walks around exactly like Wednesday. She says things exactly like Wednesday. Dude, literally, I forgot to tell you. Yesterday, I came here to pick up something, and I saw her sitting there on the couch watching Wednesday again,
and she's like this.
No, and she didn't acknowledge me at all. Like it was like I was an NPC.
Yeah, and the last thing you want to do is be an NPC. All right, ready to take the drone up?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, and we officially have liftoff on the drone. Ethan's flying it. You better not crash it.
This is like only my third time flying.
هنشوف وينزداي.
I'm sorry. You gotta find Yana. Wait.
يا ابطال في ملاهي وفي بنت بتتحرك في بنت لابسه اسود اهي وبتتحرك. هعلم لكم عليها دلوقتي. اوكي ابطال، انا علمت لكم على وينزداي اهي. علمتها لكم عليها باللون الاحمر. لسه هحط المايك. اوكي فخلونا نكمل الفيديو.
That's her on the playground. We found her right away.
She's literally there all by herself.
What the hell is she doing in the playground?
That's so weird, dude.
Okay, yo, bring the drone up to her. Is she literally just there by herself?
No one's around. Look, nobody.
Okay, guys, Yana's been disappearing like this, going every day on walks. Is this what she's doing? Playing on the swing?
Look at her. She's just like in one motion.
Okay, well, this is probably gonna make for a pretty boring drone video then.
Dude, it's almost like she's super serious.
Yeah, she's like totally zoned out. Strawberry Squad, this is probably the most peculiar behavior I've ever seen from anybody on the team. Look at her, guys. She looks exactly like Wednesday. She's dressed like her. She's acting like her. Like, imagine somebody on a stroll in the park, literally, like walking their dog or something, and then just see her, like, acting weird like that, dressed like that.
Dude, I don't know what I'd do. That's, like, so weird.
What is she looking at right now? Looks like she's, like, looking for something or someone. Bring the drone too close.
هي صغيرة عشان تلعب في
How
المراجيح.
does she not see it, though? I'm literally right up.
I think she sees it. She's just acting like she doesn't.
Yeah, maybe.
She's trying to play the character of Wednesday.
Yeah.
Guys, has Yana lost her
Okay.
Like, she's like a statue right now.
Yeah,
she
she's
literally
like
hasn't moved in like 5 seconds.
Wait, the drone's not glitched? She's actually just
No,
standing there?
no, look, I'm fine.
Oh, yo, Ethan! Watch out! Watch out!
Oh my god, I just
She
got away
just noticed it.
Okay, yeah, I just got away in time.
Okay.
شافتهم يا أبطال. شافتهم يا أبطال.
Yo, be careful, Ethan.
No,
Okay, yeah, keep the drone higher. Like, we want to see what she's trying to do over there.
I'm zooming in, but I'm gonna try to stay from a distance. Look. She's doing something.
What the hell is she doing now? She's making something up on the ground?
She's like observing the dirt or something.
Oh, because guys, Wednesday in the TV show is like an investigator. Maybe she's like trying to investigate.
دي بتجيب الرمل وتشمه.
Like a crime of some kind.
She just tasted it, I think.
Okay, this is getting weirder and weirder by the minute. Guys, just when I...
ممكن تمسك حاجة في ايديها وتنشل كأن بتنشل على حمامة وعصفورة على طول كده. على طول تنشل عليهم
توقعلهم من الطيارة. Now we're seeing Yana picking up sand at the park and she's eating it.
بتشم الحاجات.
No, I swear to God, I think she did.
Guys, rewind that back. Did she lick the freaking pole?
Look.
Where's she going now?
بتدور على الطيارة.
Strawberry Squad, comment it down below. What do you think is happening? How do we get Yana to snap out of it? Look at her now. She's like having a fun time at the park or something?
هي صغيرة على إن هي بتلعب يعني في المراجيح.
Strawberry Squad, I actually haven't really watched the TV show, so I don't really know exactly what it is that Wednesday does, but comment down below, like, is she doing anything that's related to the show? She's trying to climb the monkey bars and now she's mad at it?
I don't know, yeah, she looks confused, like she doesn't know how to.
If there is something that I do recall from the show, it's that Wednesday has a super bad attitude and she's very, like, dead inside, so...
Yeah, that's one thing, yeah. Maybe this is her downtime. She's just hanging off that thing, swinging right now.
What the heck is she doing?
I don't know.
دي مجنونة يا جدعان.
She's just swinging around. Yeah, keep going around. Don't crash it though.
No, I'm trying not to.
Okay, she must notice the drone though.
Yeah, no.
She's probably just ignoring it.
Looked at it there.
Yeah. I think she's just trying to pretend it's not there.
I think she's just trying to mess with us, but she probably knows.
Yeah, but she didn't know the drone was gonna be here. Like, why was she in the
اوعى
park in the
تقولي ان
first
هي
place? You know
تركب
what I'm saying?
البتاعة دي. هعلم لكم على اوعى تقولوا لي ان هي تركب على البتاعة دي. اوعى تقولوا لي بجد يعني. اوعى تقولوا ان هي تركب على البتاعة دي خالص يعني. هي صغيرة.
Now she's going on the motorcycle.
Literally trying everything out now.
Maybe she's been having like visions and stuff. Maybe this is where something bad in the future is about to happen. So she's already here, like pre-planning and investigating before the crime even occurred. Because I'm pretty sure in the show, guys, like Wednesday's able to see the future, see things that are about to happen. Whoa. There's a guy there. Oh my god.
يعني الشخص اللي هو شايفه هناك ده يعني اهو اعلم لكم عليه. الشخص اللي شايفها هناك ده يعني مش شايفها يعني. ممكن انا لو منه اجري، لو شفتها اجري يعني بجد يعني ومعدي كده وخلاص شافته. هي زعلانة تقريبا. تلعب بالرمل. بليز ساند. تلعب بالساند. هي بتشم الساند ليه يعني؟ بتشم الرمل ليه يعني؟
Guys, does Wednesday do that in the show? Like, I'm so confused. Oh, she knows the drone. Back up, Ethan, back up. Guys, if you're wondering why it's so dark in here, it's because the plaid actually has tinted windows. Like, look, it's actually not that dark, guys. The plaid is super tinted. That way nobody can see it. We don't want anybody to see it. Look, she just made a V.
اوكي علامة الدبليو اهي ابطال الدبليو. لو ركزتوا في الحتة دي هتلاقي ان هي علامة دبليو فعلا. دبليو يعني وينزداي.
Oh no, a W, a W. Oh, for Wednesday, yeah! She's like spelling her name or something. Sorry, squad, I'm at a loss for words right now. I don't even know where this video is going. Like, I'm trying to keep it in the air. Like, I don't want her to notice it. So I'm trying to catch her doing something weird on camera that we can confront her about. But she's clapping about that. It's not even that crazy. I think maybe she's just trying to enjoy her downtime because she's so busy acting like Wednesday all day long that this is like, you know, a little break for her to actually like, you know, lighten up a little bit, you know? When we've been close to her, oh, Ethan, back up, back up! Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. She's chasing the drone! Oh my god, look at her, look at her. Oh my god, she keeps coming this time. Yeah, I'm going. Go higher, just gain altitude. Yeah, but I want to look, she's literally not blinking. What is she doing? She's trying to take the drone down. Oh, Ethan, just go higher. Okay. Sorry, I've only flown it like 3 times. Oh my gosh, she was this close to capturing the drone. Wait, she's going back to the park now. Should she be bored by now? Yeah, like how much else can you do in the park? Oh, well, she still hasn't gone on the slide. Let me guess, that's what she's gonna do right now? Guys, what kinds of things does she do in the show? Like, I'm wondering if anything here, like, ties to that. I know she doesn't blink, that's what I know, and I haven't seen her blink when I've gone up close. She's really taking this role seriously, guys. Like, she literally thinks she's Jenna Ortega. Look, she's like looking out like a captain now. She's looking back at the drone now. Now she's going down the slide. Like, she's probably going down the slide because she's gonna come try to attack the drone again. Yeah, just be ready in case. I'm going a bit higher. Okay, I'm going a bit higher. You see how robotic she's acting? This is so weird. I can only imagine those houses that are around the park. Somebody looked out their backyard window and they saw somebody doing that in the park. Guys, what would you think? Comment down below. What would you if you saw a girl acting like Wednesday in a park by herself? What is the mannequin man? Okay, careful. Whenever she does this, she's preparing for something. Look at her face. Oh, she's looking right at the drone. What the hell? Wait, she's doing a dance.
Okay, dance. Okay, دي
with my hands, she's doing
dance.
The dance now. Heck are we witnessing right now? She's literally putting on a show for herself. I mean, it's kind of fire. I gotta say it. She's going to Hollywood. I think so. What the heck? Maybe she knows the drone's watching and she's trying to put on a show for the drone or something? Okay, guys, I don't think it could get any weirder right now. I wonder what she's thinking. Like, at this point, have we fully lost Yana? Or is there some chance that we can get her to snap out of it? What do you think? I think she's a goner. This is weird. Yeah, guys, like, this is almost possessed. As I told you guys, other members of the team have been capturing footage of Yana acting weird for the past 2 weeks now. It's still going. Look. What?
دي وينزداي الحقيقية بجد يا لهوي.
She's like bowing.
يعني كأن في جمهور يعني بترحب بيهم. يعني هي مجنونة. هي مجنونة. هي عايزة تروح مستشفى المجانين من الآخر يا أبطال. هي عايزة تروح مستشفى المجانين.
Yeah, it's weird. There's nobody even there though. What if Wednesday can connect to the dead though, and she's speaking to spirits and stuff? Wait, now she's got something behind her back. Oh! Yo! She just pulled out a knife.
مسكت سكينة. What
if Wednesday can connect to the dead though, and she's speaking to spirits and stuff? Wait, now she's got something behind her back.
هي أبطال وأنا قفلت يعني عشان الأذان. فأوكي السكينة اهي. اوكي هي أبطال السكينة يعني وات ازاي يعني ازاي يا لهوي. خلونا نشغل الفيديو. طبعا هيتخض يعني في سكين. اوكي سايباه مش هتشوفهم في حالهم. اطلع يا ابني اطلع. اوه بوظت لهم الطيارة اللي هما بيراقبوها من بوظت لهم الطيارة. اوكي دي بوظت لهم الطيارة اللي هما بيراقبوها منها. وات
You just hit the drone. Wait, you just lost control. You lost
بالسكينة
control.
هيت شوت
I know.
هيت شوت
I'm trying. I can't.
دي
Oh, it's glitching.
القناص
Right
دي ولا
now. Oh, now
القناص
she's gonna pick up the drone. She's gonna know that we were flying it. I told you not to let me fly it. She's gonna get mad. I told you not to let me fly it. Wait, look. Wait, what's she gonna do? I don't know. She's picking it up. Ethan, we should get out of here though, because if she comes back and she sees that we're the ones with the controller, she's gonna know we were flying it. She's gonna get super mad, and she has a knife in her hand. Okay, yo, it's cool. Look at her.
هي وينزداي تبقى الأصل هي وينزداي يا أبطال
She has lost it. She's acting like Wednesday. What the hell?
هي وينزداي تبقى الأصل
She has lost it.
مسكت لهم السكينة يا أبطال بوظته لهم أكتر
We just lost the freaking drone. What do we do?
بوظتها لهم اوكي خلصت على الطيارة ماتت خلاص يعني
I don't know. You don't think she's gonna look at the footage, right? Because the drone has the SD card in it. She's gonna look at the footage, she's gonna see that it's footage of her, and she's gonna somehow be able to pair the drone with the controller and track us down and get mad at us for spying on her. What are we gonna do, dude? Actually, we just leave the house, we disappear for like 3 days. We just act natural like we weren't a part of anything. Okay, yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. All right, okay, let's go. Okay, I'm backing up.
ولا يخرجوا لها
What?
البصة دي تقريبا هي جاية لهم طالما انا حاسة ان هي جاية لهم تقريبا طالما البصة دي كده هي جاية لهم والله كنت حاسة شفتوا يا ابطال يعني يا لهوي دي جاية لهم دي هتقتل طب اهربوا بسرعة
Stay quiet. She might not even notice us. Wait, she's really coming. Oh, no. She's looking right at us. Oh yeah, no, we're screwed. She's got the drone in her freaking
عايزة تضربهم بنيتين كده تنفخهم اوكي بتخبط على الازاز بتاع العربية الجلاس
What is this? What's what?
اوكي بتقول لهم الطيارة دي بتاعتكم قالوا لها ماذا وات يعني قالوا لها ايه بتاعتنا
No,
انتوا كنتوا بتراقبوني
spying
منها
What makes you think that?
بيقول لها كنت بتعلم عليها ويعني مش بتاعتي تقريبا
What controller? This controller?
اوكي طلعت وينزداي الذكية قلت لهم ايه الريموت اللي بيتحكم في الطيارة ده مش هو ده بتاعها اوكي
Oh yeah. I mean we were flying a drone.
بيقول لها انا كنت بتعلم عليها
But we weren't spying on you. We must have just Ethan just crashed it in the park. Thank God you found it. Otherwise we would have lost all the footage.
بتعلم بالطيارة ما كنتش اقصد انا هجيب عندك كده
I didn't mean to watch you. I was just trying to learn how to fly. Yeah, we were just trying to learn. Wait, speaking of the park, what were you doing in the park?
بيقول لها لا انا كنت بتعلم عليها
Don't you think we're a little old for that?
Aren't parks literally for playing?
I mean, yeah, but like for kids, and not to mention, if anybody sees you, dressed like that, they might have a few questions. Yeah.
You know what? I cannot have you interrupting my playing sessions
بتقول لهم لو قربتوا مني
anymore.
تاني
This is so disrespectful and so rude.
Whoa.
وامشوا دلوقتي
Okay, we're leaving. All right.
قربتوا من المنطقة دي تاني هقتلكم وامشوا دلوقتي
Okay, we're going.
خدوا عربيتكم دي وامشوا على طول اوكي هو بيمشي دلوقتي اوكي هي واقفة له مستنياهم ان هم يمشوا اوكي انا والله كنت في الاول حاسه ان الشنطه اللي هي اللي ورا دي اللي هي ابيض في اسود يعني العربيه ابيض في اسود كل حاجه ابيض في اسود حاسه ان الشنطه اللي ورا دي يعني هي اللي كان يعني تحس ان هي جواها وينزداي مش ابيض واسود كده كنت حاسه في الاول كده بس يعني اوكي هم مشوا دلوقتي من عند وينزداي
Yeah. Guys, we're gonna let Yana calm down for Wednesday. Strawberry Squad, this was a weird video. Let me know what you guys think is happening with Yana right now. She is losing her marbles.
So
drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and guys, I will see you in the next one for another banger. And as always, peace.
اعملوا لايك وسبسكرايب والجرس التنبيه دول عندي انا اوكي يا ابطال اوكي كده بس خلاص كده بس ثانية يا ابطال
Enough is enough. If you guys are looking to join the Strawberry membership, you have come to the right spot. To explain, Strawberry Squad.
اوكي يا ابطال نكون وصلنا لنهاية المقطع وزي ما شفتوا احنا شفنا وينزداي في الحقيقة وشفناها وهي حقيقية اوكي، ممكن نوصل نهاية المقطع. ما تنسوش اللايك والسبسكرايب، تضغطوا على جرس التنبيه عشان يوصلكم كل جديد على قناة يوتيوب جيمنج. اوكي يا ابطال، وشوفنا وينزداي في الحقيقة. اوكي، ولو عندكم افكار فيديوهات تانية، انا عندي افكار كتير، بس يعني قولوا لي تحت في التعليقات ايه ايه الافكار اللي انتوا عايزين نعملها لكم في اليوتيوب. اوكي، قولوا لي تحت في التعليقات. فاوكي، وصلنا نهاية المقطع، سلام، مع السلامة يا ابطال، اشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. سلام.